how we have made over $4,200 in the last few days with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this short 6-minute video, I'm going to review to you step by step exactly what you can use, what you can deploy in 2026 in January to start having similar results as a beginner without making any videos, even if you have never made a sale with affiliate marketing. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, for the current week, this is new account. Again, we have multiple accounts for multiple niches. Okay, so you can see the current week, 4,000. The previous week, it's $3,200. Now, this was done in the last 7 days. Now, let me show you exactly what this means and how you can go step by step with Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, let me go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, why Google pay-per-click ads? The reason why is because it's all about buyer's intent. For any time, for anything, when you're sending traffic, meaning buyers clicks, when you're sending audiences, traffic, okay, to any ClickBank offer, to website, you need to have buyer's intent. And the perfect place is Google pay-per-click ads. Why? Because let me show you here. People are actively searching for the solutions to their pains and problems. As you can see over here, they are already in the buyer's mode. Let me show you the proof. You go to Google. You see they are already in solution seeking state, meaning they are already actively searching for the solutions for their pains and problems. You can see how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight before summer, how to get rid of my lower back pain, how to get rid of my knee pain, how to recover hair loss, how to help with acne, okay, how to manifest more happiness, okay, and go on and on and on. There are so many problems that people are dealing with every single day, and they need solutions. And this is, my friend, where you come in place as an affiliate on ClickBank, when you can promote high quality products. Okay, ClickBank is just one of the affiliate networks. There are many others as well. We can promote offers and make up to 90% affiliate commissions paid out daily. As you can see over here, how it works out. Okay, it's all about average order value, meaning one person is buying $47 initial purchase, which is ebook, let's say, and then $97 upsell and upsell too, which is, let's say, 67 US dollars. At the end of the day, average order value is $211. Sometimes even 500 US dollars per sale you can make. Okay, let me show you an example here. Let's say that you send 500 clicks on Google pay-per-click ads, meaning you spend 500 US dollars. Let's say 500 US dollars. Okay, and let's say out of 500 people, there is 9% conversion rate. If, like my students and clients, build quiz funnels and websites, pre-sale pages, landers, landing pages correctly, yes, then you can expect 10% or 9% conversion rate, which is really high, okay, comparing to the rest of newbie affiliates or gurus out there. Because it's all about psychology of ads, structure of ads, message to the market match, okay? Low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, males and females. So all these language patterns, you don't have to learn. All this can be done with you, together with you, and for you. Once you make a decision to get up and running, and finally, once for all, start having daily results, sustainable results in 2026. As you can see over here, 40 buyers will take $47 product only, but 5 buyers, okay, out of those 45 buyers, 5 buyers will buy the entire full funnel, meaning they will buy entire upsell flow, and meaning you're gonna make around 3,000 US dollars from those 45 buyers. All right. So this is how the math or economics behind affiliate marketing works in action. In action, of course. You can see over here, right? Have you seen something like that on Google or Facebook or YouTube ads? Gurus on ClickBank in their courses or coaching programs, they show you outdated methods that used to work in 2015, 2020. Now it's 2026. It's not about AI. Yes, it can help you, but at the other side of computer, laptop, it's human being with emotional states. So once you understand that, you will be able to start having daily natural results. Faster sales on ClickBank, of course. You can see This is what most of the gurus are teaching you, the outdated methods. If you have tried this and failed, it's not your fault because you have been following the wrong outdated methods that used to work years ago. Okay? You can see if you have curiosity clicks without buyer's intent clicks, you're losing money. You're not making any profit. But once you have finally buyer's clicks, you'll be able to get buyer's results, meaning conversion rate is going to go up. Okay? Big fat commissions, of course, on ClickBank. You can see how this works, right? There are 5 stages of awareness. Market sophistication is important. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, heck, I never heard about this before. Never someone told me about you need to have product match, you need to have market sophistication levels, you have to have 5 stages of awareness. Now you don't have to learn this yourself. Okay, once you get up and running, we usually do it in 2 to 3 days. You're up and running, and in the first week, yes, first week, 5 to 7 days, you're making profit. You are profitable. Why? Because you're not wasting time split testing, wasting time and money on ads. It's all about knowing, this audience works. Let's start with $5 to $10 a day, Google ads or Facebook ads. You get the results in the first 24 hours. Great, you break even, you make your money back. Next day in 48 hours, increase for 30% the budget, okay? And you can even reinvest from ClickBank affiliate commissions. Okay, this is a smart method. That's how smart affiliates are making money online. You can see your paid ads and massive profits online as a beginner, okay? In 2026, you can see we get it done together, one-on-one over the Zoom call, as you can see over here, right? And what is the most important thing? It's about psychology of ads, psychology of markets. Very important method and strategy that can take you really, really far and fast forward you in January 2026 going forward, okay? Now, as you watch this video, if you want to have results, you can connect with me one-on-one, but only if you're serious. If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, some money to invest in yourself, and actually get this up and running finally in 2026. As you can see over here, you have my WhatsApp, my personal phone number, my Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and email. Okay, you can send me DM, you can text me, send me personal message, email me, WhatsApp me, but only if you're serious, if you are action taker, not procrastinator, not excuse maker, but actually want to take action and get results for yourself, for your family, and have better results in 2026. Okay, because this is the year that you can take action and be able to have much more better results.